Hi Jay, my name is Jeff and I am a co-founder of Logo Leads, and I believe you spoke with my wife Megan recently about a video to provide some tips and insight into digital marketing for Failsafe electrical specialties. I did do a quick Google search for your website and was able to locate one from Google My Business. However, whenever I went to it, it looks like it has expired. So this is what comes up. Since you don't have a website for your business at this time, I wanted to send you this quick video just to show you what your competition is doing and how to develop a digital marketing presence so that you can also see the huge benefits for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining new customers. So the three things I wanted to go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. Now, content is going to be anything on the front page of your site that Google can read. So all the text on the front page, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like electrician Baton Rouge, LA, Baton Rouge electrician, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types in those searches into Google, your website will be the one that pops up. And this is where a customized business website would really shine because you can tailor to those keywords, and you can also include things like customer testimonials, links to social media pages, and pictures of your previous projects, because people love before and after photos or shots of just what you've done in the past. So. But the main thing to consider is content, 1,500 to 2,000 words, and just make sure you're targeting those keywords, and that'll do you a lot. Now, the next thing I want to go over with you is something called backlinks. The thing with Google is it can be like a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. And it's very important to remember not all backlinks are created equal. So what this means is you're going to get a lot more power and influence from a backlink that is relevant to your industry. So for you, it would be something like an electrician blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of home services, something that has to do with the services you offer. You're going to have a lot more influence and power given to you that way, as opposed to something from your local Domino's pizza, something that has nothing to do with your actual services. So a tool we use to measure your backlinks and the quality of backlinks is a tool called Ahrefs. It gives you a lot of really valuable data and can kind of display what kind of traffic your website is having. Again, since normally I would go ahead and plug in your website here, but since it's not working currently, I went ahead and did one of your competitors. This is Mr. Electric of Baton Rouge. And as you can see here, they have 43 backlinks from 15 different websites that are pointing back at them. And what that does is it builds credibility and trust in Google's eyes and allows them to rank higher in the searches. And so that's driving about 106 people, this is over the last month, to their website. And again, there's a lot of people out there searching for electricians in the Baton Rouge area. The research that I've done, it has shown over 250 people per month are searching for it. So there is a lot of traffic that can be driven to your website, and therefore, even if you can convert a small number of those into paying clients, at the end of the day, that's more revenue in your pocket. So what we would do is we tell our clients to go after the same backlinks that your top competitor has. So just basically imitate them on the backlinks, and then go in and add in an extra 20 to 30%. That way, by the time they realize what's happened, you're already ahead of them, and you have a nice cushion to make sure you stay on top. Last thing I want to talk to you about today is something called citations. Citations are very important because if someone wants to get a service now, they're going to go to Google, they're going to search it, and they're going to probably pick one of the first things that comes up. So for example, if we do electrician Baton Rouge, LA, first thing that comes up is going to be your paid ads up here, and then the next thing you'll see is this little map section. It's called the Google Map Pack, and this is very valuable real estate because, as you can see, it takes up a lot of space on the first page of Google, and about 70% of the people that end up clicking within this map pack, they end up clicking the top spot. And it's not necessarily because they have the best services or the best ratings or whatever the case may be. It's simply because they have those things called citations. And all that is the name, address, and phone number of your business listed in the various directories online. So that'll be Yelp, Porch, House, Home Advisor, White Pages, Yellow Pages, just to name a few. There's hundreds of them out there. And so the more citations that you have, the higher up you will rank in this map pack here. And then same strategy. We would just I duplicate whatever the top competitor has and then add a 20-30% cushion, and that way you stay on top, and as long as you keep on adding backlinks and citations along the way, you'll stay on top. So hey, we'd love to discuss it with you more in the future. If it's something that you're interested in learning more about, feel free to give Megan a call back, and hope you enjoyed the video.